Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unbox Therapy. Today we're bringing you an important update about the powerful winter storm sweeping across the country this January 2025. This storm is shaping up to be one of the most intense events of the season, and we want to ensure you're prepared to face it safely. Let's dive into what's happening and how you can protect yourself and your loved ones. As of today, a major winter storm is sweeping through the Midwest and moving toward the Northeast. Meteorologists have issued winter storm warnings for over 15 states, including Illinois, Ohio, New York, and Pennsylvania. Cities like Chicago, Cleveland, and New York City are expected to experience heavy snow, freezing rain, and dangerously low temperatures. Forecasters are predicting snowfall totals of up to 20 inches in some areas, with ice accumulation reaching